A big thank you to Autonomous for sending me out this year to CES to check out their products and to work smarter. Check out the description down below. Hey everybody, I'm here at CES 2018 in Las Vegas. I'm here with Ziro.io. Guys, what do you got here?
So what we got here is a robotics kit. It's actually a smart interaction robotics kit. It's very nice. It's basically it consists of these modules here and a smart glove. The idea is that we want robotics to be easy for anybody, for kids, and for anybody that is going that's interested in robotics. So you can use these modules. You can build your own robot. We have the same modules here for the two arms of this little robot, or the two wheels as well. These are just like some magnetic attachments that we get, but the modules are exactly the same. You build your own robot, and then you can control using your hand gestures or voice control, or even a camera system. So I can show you here this one being controlled with hand gesture. Yep. So are you going to talk about our Alexa control as well?
Yeah, the idea behind this is like to make robotics fun and easy for everybody, especially for kids, make it more accessible, and giving smart interaction technologies is a very important thing for us. So you can talk to Alexa and give commands to a robot. We call her Zoe. So you can say, Alexa, ask Zoe to move forward, or Alexa, ask Zoe to turn right, turn left. So it's a very intuitive and a natural way of talking to a robot and giving instructions. So that way we are making it more smarter in terms of what kids can build, and they can experience a lot of new methods of interacting with robots, which are non-conventional, which takes them out of their smartphones and out of their tablets and brings them into a real hands-on world. You know, you are making a lot of different robots and then controlling them, and the time to play is very crucial. It's very fast. Kids can make robots really fast. They can make really complicated robots, such as with computer vision or with Alexa, really fast in 5 or 10 minutes, and they can start interacting with it and having more fun with it. So that's about Ziro. Ziro is making smart robots more accessible and easy for kids to build.
Very awesome. Well, thank you so much for your guys' time. I really appreciate coming out. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. For more content, please subscribe, hit that like button. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this stuff. It's pretty cool. All right, see you guys in the next video.